WZAgent is cheating. For context, and for those that don't know, WZAgent is a third-party app that reads the game memory. This allows streamers to not only see the names of those who are inside the lobby, but also the kill-death ratio of every player. This allows streamers to look for easy lobbies during kill races, and keep backing out until they find a bot lobby. This was known as lobby shopping. Huskerrs used to do this during big tournaments and scam the other streamers. Ricochet made an announcement recently. They have now banned this program, and will now permanently ban any streamer using it. The creators of the software updated it recently. However, it still reads the game memory and still injects into the game. This is absolutely cheating. Here is Huskerrs admitting on stream that he is about to download the cheat software.
But I'm about to start using WZAgent just to know if there's a cheater in my lobby or not.
But look at this clip. Not only is Huskerrs 2 boxing, the low-level streamer is also using WZAgent.
This is the 1.03.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't want to drag it out forever. I have all the time, but I'm sure your viewers will get bored of that. But maybe like one more reset.
Alright.
Just try it in a 1KD at one point once you give up.
These streamers are terrified playing in a 1KD lobby. It's just embarrassing to even mention to anyone you play Warzone at this point. The entire game is a complete joke in the gaming world. And it's all because of these Warzone streamers. They try and justify it by pretending they are looking for cheaters with high streaks, but nobody is rage hacking anymore. The cheating in Warzone is 99% closet cheating, meaning they are very careful not to get caught. So there is not going to be anyone with crazy stats that is cheating. That excuse of, oh, we are just using it to look for cheaters is just nonsense. Huskerrs is whitelisted, so he can use this program without being banned. However, the moment anyone who is not whitelisted downloads this cheat software, you will eventually get permanently banned soon after downloading it. Ironically, almost every high-profile streamer was using this during Verdansk, as we can see here, in this very uncomfortable conversation with FaZe Swag and Santana.
Yeah, I used it in
I do think that
Verdansk.
people should know the stats of the
Agent?
lobbies, but this app is bannable because it reads the memory of the game to get this data. So I would highly recommend that you don't
you can get banned for using that app.
download it or
Was
use
Ricochet
it.
back
It's just
in
not worth it.
Verdansk?
But even when you get up on
That's why
lobby,
people were
you have to
using
have
it.
the
Absolute clown behavior. I've always stated that the streamer known as Art is War is directly responsible for installing cheat software on streamers' PCs. He connects to streamers' PCs via AnyDesk, and directly modifies the sound engine with a bunch of third-party scripts, allowing them to hear footsteps from across the map. Running shell commands to modify the game engine is absolutely cheating. Even Metaphor speaks out about it, also calling it cheating.
Yes, everyone that uses Art is War is cheating. You heard it here first.
I don't get on with Metaphor at all, but at least he calls this cheating out. I've always accused FaZe Swag of using rat pedals. This is something he has always denied. However, I stumbled across an old video that finally proves my claims. As the Baka Bros were on their way to film a prank on FaZe Swag, they entered his home when he was out. And lo and behold, 2 rat pedals had just been delivered, not one, but 2 of them, sitting out of the way of the camera. Swag did not expect someone recording from this angle. We now have proof that Swag was indeed using foot pedals as a toggle, while playing Caldera and Modern Warfare 2. The streamers hype up Black Ops 6 without even playing the final build. They are so desperate for attention. They are even accusing themselves of cheating. But, when I provide evidence of them actually cheating, they cry like little children. Cheat software always seems to glitch during the final day of Call of Duty, as the cheat developers are focusing on the new title. As Aiden can be seen snapping onto an enemy behind him, as he says absolutely nothing, and acting like nothing has happened. It's just crazy and he always gets away with it. I'm watching them all and I will report back to you all as we move into Black Ops 6. God help us.